Okay, I'm doing something else different with my hair today. So I'm just showing you the before pictures here, and then I'll do an after. So this is it, uncombed right now. It's not combed out in my fro or nothing like that. No afro combed out. This is just what it looks like right now. And so it's just someone in my family. She's going to try it. It's not a professional beautician or anything like that, but I'll see how it turns out, and I'll show you the before and after. If I don't like it, I'm probably not going to keep it. But then I'll show some pictures of what I'm trying to get my hair like afterwards. I've seen a few pictures online, but that's it right there. Just a nice little introduction, just to show you what it looks like before. So let's see. Halfway through. I think this is halfway. I don't know. That's what it's looking like so far. So it's supposed to come out curly later, but I'll see. Still working on it. This is what it's looking like so far. Okay, it's all finished. Now I have to wait until the morning. It looks more like twisty like that. Not so much curly, but let's see what it looks like in the morning. Well, this is just an experiment, a test to see what this will look like. So it's all white right now because the materials are still in there, but I have to let it dry overnight and see what it looks like. So then I'll show the pictures after. Okay, so today, this is the next day, the next morning here. Well, it's afternoon now, but I had this do-rag on overnight, so let's see what it looks like. I guess it feels dry. Trying to move it around. I mean, it's cool. It turned out more like twisties. That's what it looks like. But she said it was actually called a coil, finger coil type of technique. So it's not exactly, it's not like the curls that I'm looking for. I'll put up a picture so that I remember, like maybe right here. So hopefully that'll give an idea of like the type of hair that I'm trying to go for someday in the future. This is close. It's not all the way there, but yeah. This is it though. Just showing you what it looks like. Just showing. I didn't record the whole process. It took a few hours. It started like around 8 o'clock and ended around like 11, like after 11 o'clock. Like close to 12, so it was pretty long. I didn't feel like recording all of it or anything, but that's what it looks like just for this weekend here. So I'm trying to see, I wish I could slick it back there like that, but I don't think it's gonna work. But yeah, there you go. All right. I can't see a thing, but it's around somewhere. I'm gonna hold my head cause I have no fear. This probably seems crazy, a graveyard theory. Our ghosts try to approach me and got leery.